Hello guys, welcome to Heartfelt Forex Academy. In this channel, all we do here is to anticipate a bias that should give us a 50 pips for the week on the minimum within the FS Triads, EURUSD, GBPUSD, and DXY. But before we continue, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel on YouTube, follow us on TikTok. You can also like the video and share and tune on your notification. There are a lot of people that might be in need of this. Don't forget to share, please. Now, in the last concluded trading week, what happened? We anticipated a bearish move. All right, we anticipated a bearish move. No setup on Monday, no setup on Tuesday. All right, on Wednesday we had a setup, though I called this out in our Telegram. This is what we have for it. We had an SMT here. You can see here. Initially, I took a loss on this. Right, you can see here I took a loss on this, and later had an SMT, clear SMT, and price pushed down and moved down massively on GBPUSD and EURUSD. So that is how the last week closed. So this week, what are we anticipating? What are we watching out for this new trading week? So let's go to the higher time frame and see what price might be doing for this week, guys. So here on DXY, you can see here we have liquidity here. We have liquidity here, swing low here. And this was the area we marked for the last 2 weeks, and price has taken it up, and price closed bullish here. So price might hunt for this high again, probably before dropping, or might drop before going high on DXY. Okay. On EURUSD, we have an equal low here, the relative equal low here, and the swing high and the low is still intact. So we can see that there's already an SMT on DSY and EURUSD here, but we have a strong liquidity here because of this equal low. So price might take this and weak this. So it depends. Take note. It depends on at the time to which price comes into this location. All right. So take note. If price comes here within time, we might not take this low. Take note. If price takes here within time, that means DSY should be taking the high. All right, DSY should be taking the high. So if DSY takes the high within same time as what EURUSD, all right, that means EURUSD will have a failure swing when it gets to this level. So if it happens within time, all right, if it happens within time and price, that means here will be left untouched. Anticipation, right? We are not certain, but here might be left untouched. So we have to look out for a setup either to push to the upside or to push down to take this low. But here is very, very sensitive for price to grab what? Liquidity on EURUSD. Then on GBPUSD, it has already taken what? The areas we marked for the last 2 weeks. Price has taken it up, and you can see here there is still swing low here. The price might weak, so price might also come take this swing low, push down to complement EU before pushing to the upside to grab, to add to this liquidity to grab it. So that is just the nature of what we are to look out for this week. So our heartfelt bias for the week where we are aiming to target 50 pips is bearish. So we want to go bearish on a GBPUSD, on EURUSD, and to go bullish on DXY. So these areas I have just showed you here is the point that we are to anticipate price to take this low. So it depends. Price might gap down or push up first before dropping to the downside. And again, we also have EURUSD, like I said. So I don't know, price might gap down or range and drop to take this low. So watch out. If it touches this low outside time, we might hunt for this low. But if it touches this low within time, so let's see how price might be reacting off those areas. So that is that for this week. What are you going to watch out for? An SMT, all right, for you to take the low, for you to anticipate that bearish move for 50 pips on EU and GU. You should watch out for an SMT on SMT on EU and GU, a bearish SMT. All right, it could be previous day high taking, it could be a sessional SMT. Then you take your sell, target 50 pips, and you should be good. So take notes, follow the instructions as directed, right? So by the weekend, we'll see what price might have done for this trading week. That is that, guys. So let's meet on weekend. I wish you good luck and good trading. Let's go bearish, guy. Bye.